Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to order and activate your Cash App card. So for you to be able to activate your Cash App tag, open your Cash App, then log in into your account, then tap on the Cash Card icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, tap a Get Free Cash App card to start the order process. Once you do that, choose a style card. So once you do that, you can also customize your card if you want, then add a signature. Actually, this is optional, so it doesn't mean that you must customize it if you want. You can just simply order for a simple card of your choice, which is a normal random card. But if you want something different, you can just customize it if you want. So once you're done that, once you're through with that, just confirm your shipping address, submit the order. Then Cash App may require you to verify your identities with your full name, your date of birth, and the last four of your SSN number, which is your social security number. Once you do that, it takes about 7 to 10 days before you can get your card arrived to your doorstep. Once you have it, then once you save your card, then you can now open your Cash App, then tap on the card icon, then tap to activate your card. Use your smartphone camera to scan your QR code included with the card. If you don't have the QR code, tap or use the CVV instead. Enter the card details and the CVV together with the expiration date to activate it. Once activated, your card is linked to your Cash App balance and ready to use. You can use this for online purchase, in-store transactions, and ATM withdrawal. Fees may be applied. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow. Thank you.